China just shocked the world with what they're building, but the real story isn't what you've seen online, it's what they haven't told you. Because while the West is busy arguing about AI regulations and debating self-driving cars, China quietly pressed fast forward on the future, and the future didn't arrive. It exploded. Imagine paying for everything just by opening your hand. No wallet, no phone, nothing. China already does it in thousands of stores right now. Now picture a $236,000 supercar that literally dances to the beat, jumps 75 millimeters off the ground, and laughs at Ferraris. China sells it today. While you're still blinking, every 6-year-old kid in Beijing is forced to take mandatory AI lessons, 8 hours a year minimum. They'll master neural networks before they master multiplication. Hospitals? China just opened the world's first fully AI hospital. 14 robot doctors, 4 robot nurses. They treat 3,000 patients every single day with 93% accuracy. That's better than most human doctors on the planet. Surgeons in Shanghai operate on patients 8,000 kilometers away using robotic arms. Robot nurses deliver your pills in 3 minutes instead of 3 hours. And machines now draw your blood without ever missing the vein. Never again will you hear, "Oops, let me try the other arm." Out in the fields, one single robot with 108 mechanical arms trims cotton plants 120 times faster than a human. DJI drones the size of a small car fly at night, spraying 100 kilograms of pesticide completely alone. Airports? Walk into Shanghai Hongqiao. Your face is your ticket, your ID, your boarding pass. 12 seconds from curb to gate, 0 humans. And watching everything? 200 million cameras. That's 4 times more than the entire United States. They call it Skynet. It predicts crimes before they happen. Police helmets scan crowds and flag wanted people in real time. Trains? Maglev just broke 620 miles per hour in testing, faster than a cruising 737. Beijing to Shanghai, 1,200 kilometers in 2.5 hours, while floating on magnets. Back to the insane cars. BYD Yangwang U9, 1,287 horsepower, hits 100 kilometers per hour in 2.36 seconds, and then starts breakdancing because its suspension can jump and bounce to the rhythm. Same company's U8 SUV drives straight into a lake, floats for 30 minutes, and swims away at 3 kilometers per hour using the wheels as propellers. IM Motors L6 moonwalks sideways into parking spots. BYD Z9 GT parallel parks with a full drift power slide like it's in Fast and Furious. And the GAC GUA01? Stand on the street and say, "Simo, come pick me up."
On my way.
It drives itself 2 kilometers through traffic, alone, to get you. 85% of Chinese people are totally fine letting a robot drive them. In America, only 39%. 2025 alone, 15 million brand new cars in China will ship with full self-driving brains. Charging? 5 minutes on BYD's new 1 megawatt charger gives you 400 kilometers. That's faster than filling a tank of gas. Hungry? Meituan drones already completed 300,000 food deliveries. Hot pizza lands on your balcony in 15 minutes flat. JD.com's heavy drones drop 30-kilogram packages to mountain villages that never had delivery before. Construction sites? 100 autonomous 85-ton haul trucks just built an entire highway at minus 40 degrees. 0 human drivers. Robot road rollers and pavers follow behind, all talking to each other via GPS. Goal for December 2025, 5,000 of these trucks working nationwide. Robot dogs, the go-to series, do backflips, front flips, walk upside down on glass ceilings, run 18 kilometers per hour, and already worked at the Asian Games throwing javelins for athletes. Unitree G1 humanoid, 1.32 meters tall, 23 joints, perfect kung fu, folds itself into a suitcase, costs only $16,000. $1,000, cheaper than a used Tesla in some places. And then there's X-Robots Factory, spitting out hyper-realistic androids with real skin, pores, blinking eyes, 140 facial expressions. They've already brought back Einstein, Stephen Hawking, and Thomas Edison as talking robots in museums. You can shake Einstein's hand and ask him about relativity. BYD just became the first car company in history to sell 10 million electric or hybrid vehicles, and they're selling dancing supercars for less than half a Ferrari.
Stop!
This isn't science fiction. This isn't coming soon. This is happening right now, November 2025. Every single one of these things is on the street, in hospitals, in factories, in schools, today. The future didn't arrive. China woke up inside it. And the rest of the world is still debating if self-driving cars are safe, while China already has robot doctors, floating trains, dancing supercars, and kids learning AI at age 6. So here's the real question. Are you ready for the world that's already here? Or are we all just going to wake up one day and realize China didn't just catch up, they lapped us twice while we were arguing on Twitter? Drop a like if your mind is absolutely blown. Comment the craziest thing you heard today, and subscribe, because next week we're showing what happens when these robots get even cheaper. See you in the future!